you have been driving that car for quite some time now, and you've barely used your car insurance, right? It's not because you have not bashed somebody before, or somebody has not bashed your own car before.
Okay.
So why, after every year subscribing for car insurance, why haven't you used your car insurance? These and many more we'll be discussing today on the Entrepreneur channel. I have an insurance professional with me. Her name is Kemi. Hello, Kemi. How are you doing?
I'm doing fine. Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon.
Good
Okay, so
afternoon.
tell us everything we need to know about an insurance.
Insurance is a financial protection that help one to manage risk and uncertainty. Then insurance also provide a maximum protection and a safety against any unexpected events, such as accidents, illness, then natural disaster or even death. So now we have so many types of insurance. We have an auto insurance, which is motor insurance, and it is divided into two. So we have this normal insurance, which we call third party, which allow people to move around. If you don't, it is an important insurance that you should have. But if you want to give your car a cover, a maximum protection, you will need to get a comprehensive package for your car. Are you getting it, sir? So in
Yes.
case of any accident, accidental issue on the road, or damage on your car, that is when you have a comprehensive insurance, sir. So when you even maybe cause a damage on third party, by the time you have this package of comprehensive that we are talking about, insurance company will cater for the expenses. Are you getting it, sir? Either damages on the car, theft, or even either lost, or even bodily injury to third party. So you have a lot of cover to enjoy by the time you subscribe into the comprehensive package I'm talking about. But the third party also have a cover too. But it will not be on your car. It will be for the third party if there is any damage caused by your car to the other cars. Hope I'm
Okay,
communicating,
okay.
sir.
Yes, okay. So we know that most people do the third party car insurance
Yes,
more
yes,
than
sir.
the comprehensive. So take us into that third party car insurance. Explain to a layman to understand in details what it means.
Okay, thank you, sir. Normally, you know it is compulsory for you to have a third party on your car, which is compulsory for every vehicle owner in Nigeria. Are you getting it? So third party is you are meant to renew it by law. Is that taken? But the claim on it will not be for your own car. The third party will benefit from the cover. Is that taken? From my own company now, mutual benefits. If you do a third party with us, you are to enjoy like unlimited, I think 1 million yearly. Is that taken? Just 1M on third party car, not yours. Did you get? When you hit the other person's car, my company is meant to renew your car. Sorry, the third party car, not yours. And if such incident occur, you are meant to take the other person third party insurance this thing, so that we can liaise with the other third party company, the other insurance company, then we can know what to do, then when to repair the car. So third
Okay,
party is good, why comprehensive
that's
is good.
okay. Third party is good. Now that's liars you talk about, because see, people don't use their third party insurance. Like, I have been driving it, and it's not
Okay,
like somebody has not bashed my car, and it's not like
okay,
I have not bashed somebody's car, right?
okay,
But most people feel that like it's not happening. Like, you can't access this your insurance when you bash somebody's car. So they rather sort
okay,
things out among themselves, right? just at the scene of the incident.
Okay.
Does this third-party insurance, is it really working? Like, are people really using it?
Sir, it is really working, but people will think, oh, I would not like to disturb myself. I would not like to stress myself. They believe insurance company will not pay. Did you get? That is their mindset. But I want to tell you that the mindset is wrong in the sense that my own company will pay for third party in case of any damages or any unforeseen occurrences if it happens. Did you get? If you maybe you do your third party at the right place, are you getting it, sir? You can come for claim. Is that taken? You can come for claim anytime. Once you know the agent that renew your car insurance, fine. But even if you don't know the agent that renew your car insurance, you can equally walk into the office, then you call for your claim. It is your right.
Yeah.
As mutual benefits, you can get up to 1 million in claim on your third party motor policy. Is that taken? And the scope of cover is damage to third party property and death of the third party person. Then also bodily injury to the third party person, but not to your car.
All of those combined or any of those you just mentioned?
All of what?
Is
Come
it that
again, sir.
the third party's car must be damaged, the third party must be injured, the third party may
Yes,
die
yes,
before you
yes,
release it,
yes.
or
Before
it
you
is
can come for claim.
either maybe the car is damaged or the third party is injured, right?
Yes, yes, yes. Or God forbid, someone is crossing and mistakenly someone crossed the person. That is third party. Did you get it? It is
Yes.
not basically maybe you hit a car. One can hit somebody, God forbid. Did you get? So that
Okay.
is the person is the third party to your third party insurance, and the claim will be settled. It will be sorted. Is that taken, sir? Then
So
at the
so
point of the
okay.
event or of the occurrence, picture is meant to be taken for an evidence. Is that taken? Because insurance company is not a charity company. We have to see an evidence and see the picture of what
Yes.
we want to pay for. Is that taken, sir? We don't
Okay.
just pay. We have to see, and even if you do comprehensive, you buy somebody's car, you can snap the car with your plate number. So it will be glaring that okay, this thing actually happens to your car or to the third party. Then we can know how to settle it.
Okay. So what is the process like if, God forbid, somebody hits somebody else's car and the other person is claiming damages, right? And the person wants to assess his own insurance, third party insurance. What is the process?
Okay, fine. The process is just what I just mentioned earlier, sir. The first thing to do is to take the picture of those occurrences. Is that getting, sir? You take the picture first, then you talk to your agent, or you can walk into the insurance company whereby you renew your insurance or you get it done. Then you talk to them and it will be sorted. But the first thing, the most important thing is for you to get the pictures. We capture it with the plate number. Hope I'm making sense, sir.
Okay. So plate
Yes, sir.
number of the two cars or just one car?
The two cars. The two cars.
Okay.
The
Okay.
assured, you are the assured. Why the person you hit or the person or anything, it might even be property. Maybe you are driving out of your compound and you hit your fence or something. It also cover it.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So initially you talked about the offender's insurance, third party insurance, and then the person that was bashed, third party insurance as well. So which means those two insurance company will come together, right?
Yes, sir. They
What
are coming
what
together.
what discussion will happen between both of them?
That one is it will be between the insurance company. Did you get?
Okay.
Because we have a body guiding insurance, which is Nikon. Nikon. So we have the way we do our things. Is that taken, sir? So you just leave that to us. By the time you collect the other person third party insurance, the liability will not just be on us. The risk, it should not just be on my company alone. Is that taken? So that is the way it is done.
Okay. So what if that person's insurance is expired?
Do you know we have a camera capturing everyone's vehicles now? So there is no way, except if it is downfall driver. I'm so sorry
No,
to say.
you are talking
They
about
don't
Lagos.
use
So
their paper.
we are talking about general now, right? There are no
Okay.
cameras in other states, and we are discussing general in Nigeria. What if this thing happened in a state where there is no camera, and the person that got their car hit
Has no
or
insurance.
injured has no insurance, or the insurance is not valid? What happened?
Okay. So far you are the one, or the assured is the person that ain't the person, and he has insurance, the insurance is still intact. The person is still covered. Did you get? The reason why we are doing this is because the bill will not just be on one insurance company, because it is third party. Did you remember? Third party, not comprehensive. Even
Yeah.
when it comes to comprehensive, you still have to go through that process, that same process. So
Okay.
when the other maybe company didn't do anything, then the ones that still have an active insurance, we sort it.
Okay. So, for instance, the accident happens on the 1st of June, right? And the case was reported on the 2nd of June. The case was reported to the insurance company. How long does it take for that person to get the money to fix their car?
Okay, thank you very much, sir. At least, let me say 2 weeks, 1 to 2 weeks, you are getting your claim done. Let's say 1 to 2 weeks, you are getting your claim. In my own complaint, when you submit your claim to us, once we are able to make our findings and we are sure that this thing truly happens, my own complaint does not take time. In the aspect of either third party or comprehensive, we respond to claim ASAP. We don't delay.
Okay. So for you as an
Let's
insurance,
say,
okay,
okay,
go ahead.
okay. You said the incident happened on the first, and you brought the claim, sorry, on the second.
Yes.
Let's say 5 to 6 working days, we should be able to sort the claim, the bill.
And how many times in a year would you do that? Okay, you said the person has 1 million per year, right?
Yes,
So
one
if that
million third
particular
party.
on third party, yes. So if that
Yes,
particular car is like 400K to fix, then
yes.
the person still has 600K for that year, right?
600K before the end of the policy, which is the third party.
Yes. Okay. 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 So I want to ask you, as an insurer, what is the major challenge you face in your day-to-day work? What is the major challenge you face from your customers or your clients?
Thank you so much. We have a lot of people in Nigeria as at today. They are still yet to believe that insurance is good. They are still yet to believe that insurance system is actually working. Are you getting it? But time to time, we keep to tell them that no, insurance is actually working. Have met with someone at let me say at VIO office. I actually wanted to market the man. I was looking at the man, was just like, me kì í ṣe third party, I don't do third party insurance, I do comprehensive with mutual benefit. I was like, wow, that's my company. I don't do third party. My car was vandalized and mutual benefit paid. So I was like, wow, wow. That's good. So I didn't even bother myself to go further. Did you get? But what we face daily is people will still tell you insurance is not working in Nigeria. Ah, no, I cannot insure my car. Oh. I can only do this third party of a thing, oh, and that's all. But God is helping us to still convince them, to let them see the reason why they need to do insurance, because
But
it gives peace of mind. Is
but
that taking?
don't you think their position is as a result of bad precedents, bad experience from insurance companies? Don't you think so? Because Nigeria,
Of
honestly
course.
speaking, I mean, even though these companies don't do their responsibility, they barely are held responsible.
Well. When you go to the right, when you walk into the right insurance company, did you get? You will not have the cause to regret. You will never have any cause to regret doing insurance in Nigeria. That's all I can say about that for now.
Okay, so we have talked a lot about third-party insurance. Okay, I want you to now give me the difference between that and comprehensive car insurance.
Okay, thank you, sir. As of today, comprehensive insurance is a very good plan for you to have on your car. In as much as you have car that is over 5 million, are you getting it? In this our
Yeah.
Nigeria, you are supposed, and it is very very mandatory for you to have a comprehensive insurance on it. Thank you. So now, by the time you have a comprehensive insurance on your vehicle, eh, it will actually give you peace of mind. Unlike third party does not have cover of theft. But in the case of comprehensive package, we have what we call theft. The claim is limited. If anything happens to your car that is worth of 5 million that I just said, did you get? You are paying just 5% of the worth of the car. Let's assume the car is stolen or anything, vandalized or something. Insurance company will comes in. Are you getting it? To give you the cover for the damage. Is that taking?
Okay.
So
Okay.
comprehensive cover theft. I said theft. If a car is
Yes.
stolen,
Tolling.
insurance company will replace either in cash, or if you want us to get you the car, the vehicle, or you want, but initially we pay into the assured account. Then
Okay.
also any damage to third party's car, comprehensive also cover it. It covers it.
Okay. So comprehensive cover both my car and the third
Yourself
party's car.
and the third party.
Is there an extent of damage a car should get to before somebody can say, I want my insurance company to fix this, either third party or comprehensive? Even though the car is just a scratch, can I still come and say, I need 10,000 naira to fix it, or I have to wait until it's a major damage?
Okay, sir, thank you very much. Anything you think it happens to your car, you have paid for your service. Did you get? So anytime, any day, you are welcome. You are welcome. Let's say you just mentioned a scratch of 10,000 naira. It is money. Did you get? So you just take the picture of that part, the incident that happened or the scratch that happens to your car, you send to me, or you take it to the insurance company that insured your car for you. Is that taken? Then the bill will be sorted.
Mm. Okay, so we have been talking about car insurance. Aside car insurance, what other insurance are there in Nigeria? I know car insurance is the most popular, right?
Yes.
Do people patronize property insurance in Nigeria?
Oh my goodness. Of course, yes. Property insurance, people do that. We do fire and burglary. We do GIT. A lot of insurance. We also have an health insurance. That one is even a mandatory for people traveling outside the country. Any country you want to travel to, they will request for your health insurance in case of any critical or any illness over there. So insurance company will be the one to pay, to sort the bill if
True.
there's anything. Then we also have a savings plan that will help one to plan for future, either pension for yourself, a working class, or for your children, for their for
Okay.
future purpose.
Okay. So the property insurance now, give me more details about it. Like I don't know about it, so tell me about property insurance.
Okay. Okay, the property insurance now, I think it depends on what you want. Property insurance, you can be talking about, okay, let's say mortgage. That is credit life in insurance. Credit life.
Okay.
So by the time you need to, maybe you want to get a building, or you want to buy a building, or you want to do anything, you will come to an insurance company to get a particular plan which is called credit life. Then you cannot go to the bank. Are you getting it? Maybe you want to take a loan that is worth of maybe 100 million, 50 million for you to acquire a property. Is that taken? So by the time you come to an insurance company to obtain that kind of policy, so you have access, or to get you have access to get any property that you want to buy. Then for your property too, you can also do fire and burglary in case of any fire incident. Is that taken? You will tell us the value of your building, then insurance will come in. God forbid, if there's any fire or any theft, so maybe they bug into the house and a lot of things were taken away from you, sorry, from anyone, did you get? So insurance company comes in.
Okay. So how does insurance company value a commodity or a product? For instance, you said theft, burglary and theft. For instance, thieves come in and they stole television and
Okay.
a couple of household items. And
Okay.
let's say I bought that TV for 100K 5 years ago, and it happened today. Of course, that TV is no more 100K today. How much will
Okay.
I get from insurance company? How will insurance company value that stolen item?
Okay, now, thank you so much. We have what we call an inventory list, whereby you tell us what you have in your apartment. Okay, oh, my TV is 200,000. It is noted, though it is a yearly routine. Are you getting it? So your TV is 100,000. Your set of chair is this. Your AC, your gen, and all other thing. We have an inventory list whereby you list the products you have in your house, then the amount. Is that taken, sir? The amount. So in case of any, then we also come to value it. Okay, fine, you have it. We take the pictures too. The pictures will be there on our record. So in case of any theft or any fire, let's assume it's fire. If everything is right off, fine, it is so glaring. And you have already given us the value. I think 1% is the rate you are paying. 1% of the value of your, maybe your
Oh,
building. If you are the owner of
okay.
the building, you can value the building, including the things you have in it, inside the room or inside anywhere in your compound. So if anything happens, are you getting it, sir? Let's assume it's right off. Fine, it is so glaring that this thing is right off. We are paying the value of what we insured, everything. But let's assume it's theft. We'll come to inspect it as well. Okay, this one is still in place, then we can replace the one that been stolen. Hope I'm able to answer your question, sir.
Yes, yes, yes. Okay. Okay. And that process also, how long does it take to get the money or the replacement? How long does it take?
Well, it doesn't take. time, as I said earlier. Fine. God forbid, let's assume it's fire. We can see it clearly that this is fire. We don't expect our clients or the assured to go and be begging for where to stay or something. We had fast on such things. Did you get? Because it's nature, it happens. So we had fast. 1 week, 6 working days or 5 working days, you are getting your claim if it happens.
Car insurance, house insurance, which one has more patronage?
Okay. Well, I would say my savings plan because people
Oh,
like to save a
savings.
lot as at now,
Okay,
yes.
okay.
Because the one of this auto insurance is car. This auto insurance is a yearly routine. Did you get? When I
Yeah.
insured your car now, it will take you another 1 year to renew it. But the ones of saving, people do savings every month. Did you get that? People save their money every month. So I think I have more clients on savings plan. Savings plan.
Okay. Like a susu, like a jaw, daily, weekly, monthly.
It's like an investment, a long time savings. Then some parents actually plan for their children education. God forbid if there are no more in the future. So people take this children education more important now. I have so many clients that subscribe for their children in case if they are no more in the picture, their children or their child or their world will not suffer.
Okay, now this is life insurance you are talking about, right? You also do life
Yes,
insurance, right?
yes.
Now, there is this insurance company, not your own, that
Okay.
that had this terrible experience, right? And when it was time for their clients to, when their whatever got matured and it was time to claim their insurance, it
Okay.
was story and story and story, right? And 6 months, 1 year, 2 years, 3 years, clients go to their office. You see market women, like you said, people putting money for their kids to go to school because they've already budgeted that by this year, I will use this money for this thing. And when it gets to that
Exactly.
period,
Okay.
the company didn't release the money because of one or two issues. What would you say about a situation like that?
Oh, first of all, I would like to tell you so sorry about that. For you to have experienced such thing, I am so sorry about that. Well, I will advise you go to Nikon. Did you get? Because I said it earlier too that we have a body guiding and insurance company. So at such place, they can help you to fight for your rights. Did you get? I don't know. I don't actually know the kind of plan you subscribe in for. Did you get? But as at of today, if you can go to Nikon company, they can help you to fight it out. So far you have your policy document with you. I'm sure you were given the policy